Why do the rich seem to have so much time for themselves while the rest of us are drowning in a never-ending list of tasks? Is it because they work harder or simply because they have more resources? Surprisingly, the answer lies in something much simpler. The rich have mastered the art of delegation. While others spend time doing everything themselves, the wealthy understand the power of focusing on what truly matters. In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating reasons why the rich delegate tasks, while the poor take the do-it-yourself approach. This isn't just about hiring help. It's about priorities, mindset, and the hidden costs of doing it all on your own. Let's dive into this eye-opening contrast. Number 1, the true value of time. Time is the one resource we all have in equal measure, 24 hours in a day. However, how we choose to use that time sets us apart. The wealthy understand that time is money, and spending hours on low-value tasks is an inefficient use of their most precious resource. Take this scenario. A business owner who earns $500 per hour spends 3 hours cleaning their home. By doing so, they've essentially lost $1,500 of potential income. On the other hand, hiring a cleaner for $100 allows them to focus those 3 hours on activities that grow their wealth. This understanding of the value of time is one of the key reasons the rich prefer to delegate. On the other side, many people in middle or lower income brackets believe they're saving money by doing things themselves. While this approach may cut immediate costs, it often comes at the expense of long-term growth and opportunities. The difference lies in mindset, viewing time as a limited resource versus something to be spent freely. Number 2, the delegation mindset. For the rich, delegation is more than just offloading tasks. It's a strategy. They see it as an investment rather than an expense. By outsourcing tasks that don't align with their skills or priorities, they free up time to focus on what they do best. For example, consider a successful entrepreneur who delegates bookkeeping to an accountant. Instead of spending hours crunching numbers, they use that time to pitch to new clients or refine their business strategies. The cost of hiring a professional is easily offset by the additional income or opportunities created. In contrast, someone who insists on managing every detail themselves often becomes overwhelmed. They spend time on tasks that could have been delegated and, as a result, miss out on bigger opportunities. This do-it-all approach may feel rewarding in the short term, but often leads to burnout and stagnation. Number 3, why DIY feels good but costs more. Many people take pride in doing things themselves. Whether it's fixing a broken appliance, painting a room, or managing personal finances, the satisfaction of completing a task can be immense. However, this pride often masks the hidden costs of DIY. For instance, someone might spend an entire weekend assembling furniture to save a $100 delivery fee. While they may feel accomplished, they've sacrificed valuable time that could have been spent building relationships, working on a passion project, or even relaxing. The rich avoid this trap by recognizing that their time is better spent elsewhere. The problem with DIY isn't just the time it consumes, it's the opportunity cost. Every hour spent on a low-value task is an hour not spent on activities that could yield far greater rewards. The wealthy make this calculation instinctively, prioritizing tasks that align with their long-term goals. Number 4, opportunity cost, the hidden price of doing it all. Opportunity cost refers to the potential benefits you miss out on when choosing one option over another. This concept is deeply ingrained in how the wealthy approach their time and decisions. Imagine a graphic designer who spends hours cleaning their office instead of working on client projects. The money saved by avoiding a cleaning service pales in comparison to the income lost from missed deadlines or fewer clients. The rich calculate these trade-offs carefully, ensuring that their time is spent on the most impactful activities. For those who stick to the DIY mindset, the hidden costs of opportunity are often overlooked. By focusing solely on saving money, they inadvertently limit their ability to earn more, learn new skills, or enjoy meaningful experiences. Number 5, trusting others, a key to effective delegation. One reason many people resist delegation is a lack of trust. They believe no one can do the job as well as they can, or fear that delegating might lead to mistakes. However, the wealthy understand that perfection isn't necessary. Progress is, for example, a CEO hires skilled professionals to manage operations and trusts them to make decisions. This delegation frees the CEO to focus on strategy and innovation rather than micromanaging every detail. The same principle applies to any task. By trusting others, the rich create an ecosystem where everyone operates at their best. On the flip side, someone who insists on doing everything themselves often falls into the perfectionism trap. They spend excessive time redoing tasks, tweaking minor details, or worrying about outcomes. This not only slows progress but also drains energy and focus. Number 6. Delegation as a wealth-building tool. Delegation isn't just about convenience, it's a wealth-building strategy. By focusing on high-value activities and outsourcing the rest, the rich multiply their efforts and achieve more in less time. Consider a real estate investor managing multiple properties. By delegating maintenance and tenant management to a property manager, they free up time to acquire more properties or explore other investment opportunities. This ability to scale is what sets the wealthy apart. Even in everyday life, delegation can make a difference. Hiring a personal assistant, using meal delivery services, or automating bill payments may seem like small changes, but they add up. These time-saving strategies allow the wealthy to focus on what truly matters, whether it's family, career, or personal growth. Number 7. The mental and emotional benefits. Delegation isn't just about efficiency, it's also about mental and emotional well-being. When you're not overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list, you have more energy and creativity to tackle big challenges. The wealthy often describe their lives as balanced, not because they have fewer responsibilities, but because they've learned to delegate effectively. This balance allows them to approach their work with clarity and purpose rather than exhaustion and stress. For those who insist on doing it all, the mental load can be crushing. Juggling multiple responsibilities without support often leads to burnout, missed opportunities,